Hey everyone, this is Katerina Christakos, and if you're here, it's because you want to know what the 4% group or 4% challenge is and how it can actually help you build an online business from scratch. Basically, this is Vic, he's the founder. He teaches you how to go from ground zero to creating a full-time income, and he does it through something called affiliate marketing. Now, he'll also teach you, if you have your own business, how to use this with that, but affiliate marketing is where he began. It's what I currently do. And in my opinion, it is the best way of making money online because you don't need your own product and you don't need to do customer service. What you need to do is learn how to create your brand and how to drive traffic. And the 4% will teach you how to do all that and a lot more. Vic has made millions and millions of dollars, and he started from zero and he created an empire. And that's what the whole thing here is. And what I love about it is he takes you step by step. So it's very easy. Just follow the bouncing ball here. Watch this first. Do this. Do this. Your next step. He is showing you from as if you know nothing to becoming an expert in your field and in making money online. So if that's something that sounds interesting to you, I would highly recommend that you click the link below and you sign up for more information, and he'll guide you through the whole thing. I hope you're having a great day.